Get ready! It's Dorky Girl vlog time! Oh yeah! Morning Internet, I am using my new SD card! Woo! Hooray for new SD cards. And nerdy ringtones. It's Mario. So I'm outside waiting for Ben to get here, and we're running a little bit behind. So we're gonna have to like rush to get to this movie on time, because it's like 11:45 now, and it takes half hour to get there, and the movie starts at 12:15, and we still have to pick up Caitlin. Oh, this is really stressful. Ben, get here quick. Let's go in. So Ted was a good movie. I recommend you go see it. Japanese food.